Hey y'all, and welcome to this video that's going to show y'all how to install App Inventor 2 on your Mac OS. Okay, that's exactly what this video right here is gonna do. So I just want to let y'all know App Inventor is now available in French and Russian. You see that right there? French and Russian. That's some cool. Right there. Anyway, so I am making this video because I found the process for setting up App Inventor on a Mac to be so incredibly convoluted. So I just wanted to know y'all to know that your time is worth so much more than all that. So I'm making this video so that y'all don't have to go through everything I went through. Okay? Alright. So first thing y'all want to do is open a new tab and search Google. Google, my best friend, by the way. Google is my best friend. Just putting that out there. Anyway, search Google for how to set up App Inventor. See, right there. How to set up App Inventor. You ain't even got to make it one word. Okay. Alright. Now, down here you'll see that App Inventor is over here, and it's going to tell you, oh, you're not right. All this. You just ignore that. Go down here. Open this page. Right here. This page. Alright. Now, this may look familiar, because if you go on your Blackboard account, this is the black and white page that they be putting us, that don't tell us anything, don't link us to anything. Okay, so what I want y'all to do is I want y'all to click on option 2, right here, option 2. Okay, and that'll take you right over here. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to click download the installer, and that should start your installer. Now make sure you're using Chrome or Firefox, because if you use Safari or Internet Explorer, not that you can use Internet Explorer on a Mac, but if you did, find a way, don't do it because it's not going to work. So use Chrome or Firefox to set this up, okay? Make sure you're using Chrome or Firefox, okay? Alright, now once the App Inventor is set up, program is done downloading, what I want y'all to do is click on it. Just click on it, and it's going to say opening, opening, okay? Go here, and click on this. That's going to open. Alright? And it's going to say, welcome to the App Inventor Setup version 2.3 installer. Okay, now you're going to click continue, and you're going to click continue again. Okay, you have to agree to the terms of service. It's the biggest lie in the universe, but go ahead, tell it. Alright, it's going to take up 178.1 megabytes of space on your computer. That's a lot of space, but go ahead, install it anyway. Install. Alright, now at this point you're probably going to be asked to enter a password. I'm going to tell y'all right now, my password is long as hell, so this might take me a minute. But while y'all waiting, go ahead and mind my pretty background. Alright, now it's installing. It's right in the files. Okay, it's going to go through its install process. It's going to make that sound that says the installation was successful. Go ahead, close it. Alright, now, what I want y'all to notice right now, we're going to close out all these windows. What I want y'all to notice right now, do y'all see an App Inventor app anywhere on this computer? No. No, you don't. Okay, and here is why. When you install App Inventor, it just starts running in the background. Okay? App Inventor just starts running in the background. Alright? So, what I want y'all to do now is I want you to open up your web browser again. So, go to Launchpad and open up a web browser like Google Chrome. Google, my best friend. And say, go to how to set up App Inventor again. Okay, setting up App Inventor. Alright. Now, scroll all the way down to option 2 again. Okay, now, AI Starter. Launch AI Starter. This is what you want. Okay, now on a Mac, it automatically starts running, but the AI Starter is what you are going to use on Mac to make an emulation of a phone. Okay? An Android phone. Alright. Now what you need to go to is go to ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. Go ahead to that address. Alright. Now, you have to sign in with a Google account. If you do not have a Google account, then you need to set up a Google account. Okay? Alright. So right now, I'm going to go create an account. Alright. Alright. I am going to be Shaquisha Damone. Okay? And my Googly name is going to be damone.shaquisha@gmail.com. Alright, now I'm going to create a password. It's going to be a strong password. Okay, now you got to confirm that password. Okay. Now, see, if the passwords don't match, then you're in trouble. So you know what? Just do a short password. Because you can always go back and change your password. Okay, so just do a short password right here. Okay, now do your birthday. My birthday is March the 24th of 1991. And I am a male. Okay, mobile phone number. It's going to ask you for your mobile phone number. You don't need to provide that. You don't need to tell these people what your number is. You don't need to know. They don't need to know what your current email address is. Okay. Now, you just type in this right here. This little box. Okay, go ahead and type it in. 1844 for this. Okay, and then you tell the biggest lie in the world again. I agree to the Google Terms of Service. Step. Alright. Now it's going to say, welcome, Shaquisha. Okay, now go back. Alright, now you going to get you to this. Once you sign in, it's going to get you to this thing right here. And you're going to say allow, and again, you have to agree to the terms of service. Say I accept the terms of service. Go ahead, tell that lie. Alright, and voila. It's going to ask you if you want to take a survey. Go ahead and say take survey later and hit continue. Okay, and it's gonna say you do not have any projects in App Inventor 2, like I already know that. Alright, so you want to go to projects and start a new project. I'm gonna call this one Mouse Man. Make sure you're using camel case to name your project. Click OK. Alright, and voila. Alright, now do you remember that thing we downloaded that we certainly have not done anything with so far? Alright, what we are going to do is we are going to go connect an emulator. And it's going to say starting the Android emulator. Please wait, this might take a minute or two, and it does not get around there. It does take a minute or two. Okay? Alright, see this little Android guy? He going to show up. Okay? And this right here is going to show up. I'm going to tell you right now, don't touch anything. Let it do its thing. Do not touch anything, because if you touch something, you're going to mess it up. Okay? So, admire your background. Hopefully, if you like me, you got a pretty background. Go ahead, watch your favorite show. My favorite show is Charmed. So, go ahead, watch Charmed. Or watch, whatever you like. But make sure you don't touch this. Okay? It's going to say connecting emulator started. Wait 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, and then it's gonna say starting the companion app. Okay, all right. Now it's doing its thing. Let it do its thing. Okay. All right. Now verifying that companion app started. Okay. Now the first time you run this thing, it's gonna say your companion app is out of date. click OK to start the update. Watch your emulated screens because you will be asked to improve the update. So click OK. Okay, now pull that update again. Okay, now the update is now being installed on your device. So go over here, hit OK. Alright, hit install. Alright, now it's going to do its thing. Alright, now it's going to say the update is now being installed on your device. Watch your device and approve the software installation. When the update finishes, click Done. Done. Do not click Open. Click Done. Done. Just like that. Alright. Go to App Inventor in your web browser. That's this. That's this. And click the Connect menu and reset connection and then reset the device. Alright. Now this is very important. Go to Connect. Hit Reset Connection. Now go back to Connect and hit the emulator button. Alright. Now it's going to start back up. Okay. Alright, it's going to start back up, so go ahead, let it do its thing. Admire your background. Watch your show. Make some eggs. But don't interrupt it while it's doing its thing. Okay? Alright. And by the way, this emulator over here, this is just a phone. This is just an Android phone. That's all it is. It is just mimicking an Android phone. That's all. That's all it is. Okay? Alright. Now, wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. And voila, there you have it. And now you are ready to build your applications. Now, make sure if you like this video, if you like this video, you go ahead, like. Don't subscribe to me. I don't know that I'm going to be making any more videos about this. This was a special case because I found this entire process to be incredibly convoluted, and Shaquisha don't do convoluted, and Shaquisha know that my time is worth a lot and your time is worth a lot. So I just wanted to make sure y'all know what y'all is doing. Okay? So, make sure you like this video. If you want to leave a comment telling Shaquisha how beautiful he is, go ahead. But, you have a wonderful day. Bye.